Respected Chairperson Professor Kabiri Saha Madam, respected Co-Chairperson Meenakshi Bhattapur Madam, respected Moderator Dr. Nirmal Ranjan Majumdar Sir, respected Rapporteur Bonti Bora Madam. Today I am going to present a paper on stress management of LIS professional, a plan. Stress is a sense our body experiences due to several reasons which can impact both negatively and positively depending on the person's response. With the rise of information and communication technology and their application in libraries, the library personnel are facing various stress-related issues due to several reasons. Technological stress is occurring with the rise of information technology and thus by facing various troubles as technological complexity, job insecurity, stress due to the new invention of technology, information explosion, and increasing user demand, technological uncertainty, etc. Stress among LIS professionals may vary from off-the-job stress and on-the-job stress. Off-the-job stress takes place due to several environmental and social stresses. On-the-job stress happens due to several reasons. Some factors responsible for on-the-job stress, like job insecurity or the fear of losing job because of the appointment of the computer science people in LIS jobs. Time pressure is another fact for stress among the staff. Because of extended library hours, some personnel feel uncomfortable due to several family problems. Technostress is an on-job stress. It means a kind of stress or psychotic illness caused by working with communication technology on a daily basis. The personnel with less or no ICT skills may also face technostress if they are forced to work in a ICT-based library environment. So these are some factors responsible for technostress among the staff in a digital library environment. Uh, one of the factors one of the factor job pressure with with the rapid growth of information and increasing users demand, the workload of library staff is obviously increasing. Thus, the role and job activities of LIS professionals has been changed. Libraries are using various ICT tools for providing information faster. Maximum use of various ICT tools may create stress among LIS professionals. Once the library personnel feel pressure about their job role, stress-related issues automatically arise. Another factor like technological complexity. With rapid development in ICT and their application in libraries, the employees have to learn newly implemented techniques and tools for which they found difficult to understand due to lack of awareness, and thus spend hours to overcome it, and at last anxiety related problems occurs among the staff. The information explosion and the user demand also leads to stress of library personnel while making acquisition of documents to fulfill the requirements. Insecurity is another factor responsible for technostress among the staff in a digital library environment. Implementations of ICT in libraries as implementation of ICT in libraries are reducing human effort to a constant. As it reduces human effort, most of the staff are facing insecurity for their jobs. They are afraid of losing their jobs, and thus negative thoughts appear, and which finally leads for stress. Rapid changes is another important factor responsible for technostress. As ICT is a fast changing area, everyday new technology or new invention, new version of existing technological tools has been released. Library and information science tries to use every new tools and techniques in the library system for the betterment of the services. It compels library personnel to learn at least the basics of many technology, which becomes harder for many professionals. Technological uncertainty is another factor responsible for stress among the staff, because in the ICT-based library environment, some employees feel insecure about the application of ICT and feels their knowledge will become obsolete. Initially, they are motivated to adopt the change, but after rapid changes, they become frustrated and stress occurs. Sudden changes is another important factor for technostress, because in some cases unexpected situations makes it difficult to cope up with learning the new system and techniques, including various ICT based tools. For example, in COVID-19 pandemic, bring in recent COVID-19 pandemic bring sudden changes in working style to for the employees to in for all the in all the sectors. All types of libraries are closed worldwide due to lockdown. For continuation of services, most of the libraries are adopting online and ICT based system. Besides, library personnel are working from home to provide services to the users. This situation also carries stress among the staff. Stress management of allied professionals includes a various range of techniques and psychotherapies aims at controlling person's level of stress. The reasons of stress should be found out and then to manage it. Technostress is a serious matter to be considered because it may cause serious health issues and may become a hinder in the professional development of a staff. So these are some measures that can be taken specially to overcome technostress of library personnel. These are performance appraisal, motivational talk, staff development program, engagement of adequate number of staff, proper training, system analysis. Application of ICT brings technostress for the allied professionals when they are not aware of using the advanced tools due to the lack of knowledge for which they found difficult to handle and dissatisfaction for their job occurs. On the other hand, if the personnel are aware while handling newly implemented tools and techniques, they also go from technostress. Hence, to overcome stress in the workplace, several steps should be taken, as I have already mentioned in the previous slide. These are as job rotation, performance appraisal, engaging the adequate number of staff, proper training, motivational talk among the staff, and self-development program. All these steps plays a very crucial role in job satisfaction and conquering technostress. So this is a flowchart of technostress management in library, and it shows that in workplace with the applications of ICT, if the personnel are aware of handling newly implemented ICT tools, they also go through technostress because of job pressure, technological innovation, technological complexity, insecurity, rapid changes, technological uncertainty, and sudden changes. If they are not aware of handling the newly implemented tools, they also go through technostress because of lack of knowledge, difficulty in handling, job unsatisfaction. So, to overcome technostress, some steps are given. These are system analysis, proper training, job rotation, performance appraisal, engagement of adequate number of staff, self-development program, motivational talk, which will finally lead for techno-stress-free and job satisfaction at workplace. So let's come to the conclusion. With the application of ICT-based techniques or tools, the scenario of libraries is changing, but adopting new technologies should not be a burden for the library staff. Moreover, the authorities should be very careful while adopting new technologies. Before enactment of any kind of new system, proper system analysis should be done. Proper strategies for effective ICT integration in conventional library work to maintain balance should be followed. These are the references. Thank you.